if you're ready to let go, don't hold it for too long. When you're putting the arrow, hold it from here, hold it. And shoot mo dito. Then, hold here. Hold. I-hold mo, kasi lagay mo dyan. Wag mo na ano. Hold it here. Kasi lagay mo dito. And then, di ba ganun yun? Okay, pull more. You're closing the wrong eye. Sige, go. Oh, see? Yung mata mo lang pala eh. Ah, sige. Okay, go. Hop. Okay. Don't say the ball too much. Sige, pull. Let go if you're ready. Oh, okay. Yung sanay na you're closing your eyes. Okay.